Simplifying expressions containing surds. In this video, let's see how to simplify expressions that involve surds, which are nothing but the irrational roots of a square number. Let's see an example. Simplify 18 times root 2 over root 6. Before simplifying, you need to learn the 6 important rules for dealing with surds. Root a times root b equals root a times b. Root a over root b equals root a over b. Root a plus root b. Like multiplication and division, you cannot combine the surds for addition and subtraction. This cannot be simplified further. A plus root of b to the power of 2 equals a plus root b times a plus root b, which equals a squared plus 2a times root b plus b. A plus root b times a minus root b equals a squared plus a times root b minus a times root b minus root b to the power of 2, which equals a squared minus b. A over root b. Here, to eliminate the root in the denominator, both the numerator and denominator are multiplied by the root b, resulting in a times root b over b. Now, let's come back to our example of 18 times root 2 divided by root 6. To get rid of the root in the denominator, we can apply Rule 6 and multiply both the numerator and denominator by root 6. Let's apply Rule 1 for the numerator. Root 2 times root 6 equals 12. Now, the expression becomes 18 times root 12 over 6. 18 divided by 6 equals 3 and the expression becomes 3 times root 12. Can we simplify this further? Yes. Root 12 can be written as root 4 times root 3 as per Rule 1. And the expression becomes 3 times root 4 times root 3. Square root of 4 equals 2, and we get 3 times 2 times root 3, which equals 6 times root 3. The simplified expression of 18 times root 2 over root 6 is 6 times root 3. Sounds a bit difficult? No worries. Let's try one more example. Write 3 over 2 plus root 3 in the form of a plus b root 3 where a and b are integers. Here, you need to eliminate the root in the denominator. It can be done by applying Rule 5, which is a plus root b times a minus root b equals a squared minus b. This is called rationalizing the denominator. So, you need to multiply the numerator and denominator with 2 minus root 3, then we get 6 minus 3 root 3 over 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1 and the term becomes 6 minus 3 root 3. On comparing this with a plus b root 3, we get a equals 6 and b equals minus 3. 3 over 2 plus root 3 equals 6 minus 3 root 3.